Alright everybody, this is Msan1ty, a content creator for the HP. I'm going to be opening this new keyboard from Redragon. I'm excited guys, so there's no other words to describe how excited I am. Let's go ahead and get right to it. I'm just going to pull the packaging off. Let's pull the box out of plastic. And here we have it. Alright guys, I'm gonna take it out of the box. Look how cool this box is though. And then, oh my goodness, okay, I'm just quickly reading through all the features that we have here. Wow, including 94 key space save and compact layout design. And the mechanical keyboard switch. Okay, alrighty, here we go. Let's go ahead, let's unbox it. So, here we go guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna set the box aside. Let's just focus on the keyboard. Oh my god. And the thing that I love about this keyboard too, I've been wanting a keyboard with a number pad for a while, so look how clean the color is and look how clean the design is. Let's go ahead, let's, actually hold on, before I do anything. The sound is so satisfying guys. Let's go ahead, let's. Okay, the sound of this mechanical keyboard is just very super satisfying, and I can't wait to replace my previous mechanical keyboard with this new one from Redragon. Let's see, and I'm gonna show you guys which mechanical keyboard I got. It's the model K636 CLO-RGB, and of course by Redragon. I'm really excited guys. The next following what's it called, clips are gonna be gameplay clips as soon as I get this bad boy connected. Thanks again, and check out the clips.
Laser array TO73M is a mouthful.